Maliit na village sa municipality ng Tinglayan in Kalinga. In fact, sa sobrang liit niya ay kayang-kaya mo siyang tingnan at masukat galing sa kabilang bundok. Yes guys, bundok. Hindi na ako magtataka kung bakit napakarami sa atin ang gustong makarating dito. Aside from how beautiful this place is, going here is also a one-of-a-kind experience. From Manila, we rode our bikes for about 15 hours para makarating dito. Normally, 10 to 12 hours lang yon, pero dahil marami kaming stopover, inabot kami ng ganon katagal. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung pwede nga bang magmotor papunta dito, the answer is a very big yes. Pwede ang small bike at pwede rin ang big bike. Sasakyan man yan o motor, you will have to leave your vehicle sa parking area nila which is on the other side of the mountain. Syempre, kailangan mong mag-register and you have to pay the necessary environmental fees. Noong unang panahon and until a month ago, lahat ng pumupunta dito sa Boscalan ay kailangan maglakad pababa ng bundok. Kailangan dumaan sa gitna ng palayan at tumawid ng ilog para makarating dito. Nakakapagod, 'di ba? Lalo na kung marami kayong dala. Buti na lang maraming lokal dito ang tutulong sa inyo para dalhin yung baggages nyo. Pero guys, yung physical na bagahe lang ha, yung emotional na bagahe, isigaw nyo na lang siguro dito. But kidding aside, swerte kami nung pumunta kami dito kasi nagawa na yung tulay na mapapadali sa buhay nating lahat. To cross one mountain to the other, you have to pass this hanging bridge to get to the other side. Ang convenient, 'di ba? Pero sabi nila, 5 at a time lang daw. So, I guess tinatest pa nila kung matibay yung bridge. Anyway, there is also another option and that's using the tram. Pero, hindi lahat pwedeng gumamit nito. The only way you can use this is if you can prove that you cannot walk. And in our case, si Toti lang ang pwede because of his recent injury. But we have to give credit to this man ha, kasi nung papunta kami dito, nilakad niya yan dahil gabi na kami nakarating and the tram was already closed. So yes guys, nilakad pa rin namin. Of course may lakad pa rin. Nung kami siniswerte. And the walk was still breathtaking. As in literal will take your breath dahil napakahaba pa rin niya. Napakataas at napakakitid ng daan. Sabi nila 500 steps lang daw to, pero para sa akin parang more than 1,000 yata. After about a 30-minute hike, here we are in this beautiful village of Boscalan. Though it's in a remote area, you don't have to worry about the places you will sleep in. Due to its popularity, many households were able to convert their houses into homestays. Merong simple lang, meron ding magaganda, and we chose the one on top of the hill because we wanted to get the best view. And best view we got. I think there were about 5 rooms in this house. Maganda at malinis ang mga kwarto, may good for 2 persons, may good for 4, at kung gusto nyong magsisikan, may good for 6 din naman. You also need not worry about bathrooms kasi maganda at malinis ang banyo nila rito. Best of all guys, may hot shower sila. Dahil dito sa Kalinga, sobrang lamig. As in, sobrang lamig. Hindi mo na kailangan ng aircon or electric fan pero sigurado ko kailangan mo ng kumot. Meron din silang munting tindahan dito at kung gusto nyo, pwede din kayong magpaluto ng pagkain. Syempre yung pinaluto namin, sinigang na naman. But above all, wala kang ibang makikita dito kundi itong napakagandang view kahit saan ka lumingon. But on to the most exciting part, syempre para makapagpatattoo. Unfortunately, kakatapos lang ng surgery ni Apo Wang Od kaya pabalik pa lang siya nung time na nandito kami. Don't worry, a lot of people here knows how to do the traditional tattoo also. So gumising kami ng maaga para makapagpatattoo. Meron silang papakitang set cards ng designs na pagpipalian mo and apparently si Wang Od lang yung pwedeng gumawa ng legendary 3 dots. Kahit yun ang hingin mo sa kanila, hindi sila papayag. Nakakatuwa lang din kasi lahat ng design dito guys may meaning siya. So, hindi ka makakapagpatattoo ng wala lang. Buti na lang guys, nakasalubong namin siya sa daan nung nakaalas na kami, kaya sulit na sulit pa rin ang pagpunta. Syempre dahil nakita ko in person si Apo Wang Od at napakaganda niya. Masayahin at napakabait pa. Kami lang ni Gino ang nag-decide na makapagpatattoo that time. So, his is a compass to signify his love for traveling and me, I chose prayer and faith. 3 branches for the 3 people that I love the most in my life. So, ayun na nga, nagsimula na ang tattoo session. Grabe, ang sakit pala talaga. So this is definitely more painful compared to conventional tattoos that use machines. And I have about 6 tattoos in my body, one of which is very big and it's in my back. Pero ito yata ang pinakamasakit. Magamit sila ng bamboo stick at uling na hinaluan ng tubig para sa tanta. And after 1 hour, tapos na siya. Sabi nila the tattoo costs about 200 minimum but mine was 900 and Gino paid twice as much. Pero mahal man umura, sulit na sulit pa rin. Lalo na hindi ganun kadali ang pagpunta dito. So I guess we just charge it to experience, right? Pero no kidding guys, masakit talaga siya. And habang nagmumotor ako nung pauwi kami, masakit pa rin siya. So next time kung magpapatattoo kayo dito, isipin yung mabuti kung saan nyo siya dapat ipatattoo. tattoo. But with or without that, i-recommend ko pa rin guys na dapat at least once in your life pumunta kayo dito. Boscalan is a very humble village. Napakasimple ng buhay and you can see that the people living here get along with each other. You can also see several murals all over the place and it's a proof that the place is inhabited by artists and beautiful souls. Huwag kayong mahihiyang makipag-usap sa kanila because the people are warm and friendly. Yun din yata ang isa sa rason bakit binabalik-balikan ng lugar na to. Di lang dahil kay Apo Wang Od but to experience the culture as well. I'm not sure if I've mentioned everything you need to know but in case I missed one, feel free to ask me here. Overall, this experience is something I will never forget. Both the ride, getting the tattoo, and the village all together. So that's it for now. Marami pa kaming ibang pinuntahan. Abangan nyo na lang and see you on my next video.